In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a package I received in the mail. So if you're interested in seeing what it is, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Today, my video, I'm going to be sharing with you a package I received in the mail. Christmas items, so I hope you enjoy it. Okay, I received a big box today in the mail, and I'm just starting to open it. And I was trying to remember what I ordered. You know when you sneakily order stuff, and you forget what you order? Yeah, that's about me right now. Yeah, so until I open this package, but I think I know what it is because it's kind of heavy. So I'm going to take it out the bubble wrap and out the separate box and share it with you and show you what I sneakily ordered. 3 red lanterns that you see. I ordered them from Walmart.com. Now I'm going to put the clip up here showing you how much they cost, and I got a really good deal on them. I love them. I've wanted some red lanterns for a while. When I saw these on their sale, I couldn't resist them because the price was great for 3 lanterns. The only disarray is they open from the top. So if you don't want ones that open from the top, then they have others on the site. But I did see these and I adored them, and they're going to be so wonderful in my Christmas decor. So if you like my content, subscribe to the channel, give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying you be blessed.